How to connect your bank account on Spendee application. Are guys facing issues to connect your bank account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on a mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to sign up on Spendee. After you get logged in, now click on this timeline icon. Once you click on it, you can see the option for connect bank account. Tap on it. After you click on it, tap on search bar and now search for your bank name. Once you find your bank name, click on it. In order to add bank account, you need to upgrade it to Spendee Premium. If you don't know how to get Premium, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add bank account on Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.